This 2021 Winnebago Outlook 22C is a Class C RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features refrigerator, microwave, awning, water heater, TV, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, air conditioning, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2021 Winnebago Outlook 22C is built on a V8 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.